Are you a grinder? Or do you prefer a staggered approach? After watching this video, you have two choices. Watch the whole shebang and get it done right now by going right to the next video in the playlist. Or go to Imovie Documentary 2, import and order images, and do it bit by bit. Either way, good luck, and let me know how it goes. Okay, here's how to get Creative Commons licensed free use images for your project. First of all, we're gonna go to photosforclass.com. We're here, it's as easy as that. I want a picture of a moose. Check it out, so many to go through. I like this guy. I'm on a MacBook Pro, so I'm going to use a 2-finger tap on the trackpad, and I'm going to go to Save Image As. Alright, moose. I'll put it in Dropbox so I can get it later from another computer and save it. By doing so, I get the picture itself without the attribution. However, if I click on Download, open it up, you can see here at the bottom, it comes right with all of the information that I need as an attribution, so I can put it at the end of my show.